Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prep a turkey fan for mounting. Start by removing the fan and tailbone from your turkey, ensuring you keep them intact. Next, carefully scrape away any remaining meat and fat from the base of the fan. This crucial step helps prevent spoilage and ensures a clean foundation for your mount. Pay close attention to the quill bases for a thorough cleaning. After cleaning, generously apply borax to the entire fleshy area where you removed the meat. Make sure every bit of exposed tissue is covered to prevent decay. This acts as a powerful drying agent and preservative. Allow the fan to dry completely in a cool, dry place for several weeks, ensuring it is fully cured. Once the borax is applied, carefully spread the fan feathers into your desired display shape. You can use a piece of cardboard or wood and clamps to hold the fan open and flat while it dries. This ensures the fan maintains its natural, impressive spread. Patience during this drying period is key for a lasting mount. After the fan is completely dry and rigid, gently brush off any excess borax. You might consider applying a clear, protective sealant to the quills for added durability and shine. Finally, secure your beautifully preserved turkey fan to a display plaque using screws or strong adhesive, ready for admiration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.